Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I will be showing you guys how to make circle in Photoshop. So it's gonna be really basic. What you need to do is just go to your left side. In here you will see your tools, and then you will see the rectangle tool in here. You can just right click and then choose the ellipse tool, and then now you can just drag. So left click and then drag. So you can basically create a circle like this. Or if you want to create a perfect circle, you can just click on, hold shift and then left mouse click and then just hold and drag to the right. So you can just create a perfect circle. And then if you want to just add stroke, you can just go to the appearance and then in here you'll see the stroke. So you can choose any of the colors in here. For example, like this, and then you can just change the size, so as you guys can see. And then if you want to make this like inside empty, you can just go to the fill and then click on it and then click on the none option. So as you guys can see, right now the inside is empty and we got a circle. So this is how to make a circle in Adobe Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. See you guys in the next one.